Check it out, everybody. You looking to go hunting? This one right here for you. It's got high and low. Again, this is a 200cc and the best of both worlds on this machine right here because number one, you got your nice flip seat, you got your seat belts right here, and then you also have your dump bed right in the back. Now, check this out. Seats right here will come right out with a pin right there. So again, you can take this out and use it like a normal dump bed. Again, check it out. Super knobby tires. You got your kick-ass camo right there, and you're gonna give us a call, toll-free, 866-606-3991 to grab one. That's all you gotta do is call us up right now today, okay? So like I said, this one's the 4-seater, but you can take that right there, the rear flip, and take it out and go hunting, put your guns in there, bows and arrows, whatever. SaferWholesale.com.